No sleep till Bitcoin. Dun 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 dun. Something, something, something hotter than a boiling kettle. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the bombist. I'm also tired as hell, if you can't tell. Woke up, feel like I need to take an immediate nap. Been filming like that a lot lately. Really tired. Got the morning voice. Got the morning allergies. We got the morning heat already. 6:30 a.m. Already 73 degrees. Are you freaking kidding me? How hot's it gonna be today? Too effing hot. What's the air quality? Air quality is good. That's not gonna last for much longer because the air is gonna be filled with smoke here pretty soon. High today. Oh, not too bad. Only 100. 103 tomorrow. 104, 106, 105. Next Thursday, it's going to cool off to 96. Hell yeah. All right. We got probably going to be a quick one. I do got to go take care of some stuff today. We got like 50 seconds to the morning bell. Let's see what the futures are doing pre-bell. We got the E-mini S&P up 22. We got the NASDAQ up 100. Bitcoin's doing pretty good. Pretty good. A little bit surprised by this. Well, I mean, the market's up, so I'm not overly surprised. It's 20,500. Are you kidding me? It was trying to pump. It's trying to get close to 21,000. It's right back to boring ass Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's going to be a long, boring. It's going to be a long, boring summer of Bitcoin, I think. You know, we do have some things coming up that could cause it to get a little jiggy. Pretty sure the grayscale decision is coming pretty soon. All right, here we go. Right. No, wrong. God damn. God. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. All right, the market's open. Let's take a look at what's going on. Besides Stacy's mom, I got the Coinbase strangle that just keeps on paying. Yesterday, I was looking to take my call spread off in Tesla because it was starting to go against me. I'm like, nah, continue to let it run. And then it ended up pulling back. So I think I'm near flat on this. Let's see, $1.80. So I'm down. I'm currently down. Well, we got to see what the market's tighten up. Like 10, 15, 20 bucks maybe if I'm wanting to get out now. 22 days to go. Can we roll this? I don't know that I want to roll it. No, I don't want to roll it because we got earnings. I can't imagine, like, the earnings in Tesla is probably going to be like the car numbers are insane, which will be a positive, but then they could say something like, you know, supply chain issues. He's already, like, I've seen recent rumblings on him on the news. He's complaining. The supply chain's kicking his ass now, so yeah, I'm not looking to get too crazy in Tesla right now. Riot, the whole market's up. Let's take a look at the Coinbase. Is it starting to come in? All right, so overall, I'm down $10 on the call. I'm up 165 on the put. So I'm up $155 total. I'm going to continue to let that go. We got 57 days to go. We got plenty of time. The call is not really going to be a problem unless Coinbase goes above $75. What the hell would be going on in this market that Coinbase would start pumping? Not a lot. Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin would probably have to be like 50,000 and the market would have to be going up for Coinbase to breach $75. Maybe somewhere around 45,000. Is this something we can correlate? I mean, we can try. So, coin. All right. It's been a fall from a huge clip here. All right. So, the last time Coinbase was $75 was the end of May. End of May, end of June. What was the price of Bitcoin at that time? 31,000. All right. So, I guess if Bitcoin. Theoretically, if Bitcoin pumps up to 30,000, which I think is highly unlikely at this point, um, we might get a relief rally. Anything's going to be a relief rally right now. Even right now, it's not even a dead cat bounce at this point. But anything's going to be a relief rally until the Fed turns dovish, in my opinion. It's just going to suck some people in. Relief rally right here in Bitcoin. Relief rally right here in the NASDAQ. Relief rally right here. Relief rally. Relief rally. Dead cat bounce. Dead cat. However you want. Bull trap. However you want to look at it. They all pretty much mean the same thing. It's probably going to continue to happen. We might get a bounce off the 200 SMA on the weekly. So we could get a relief rally and then back down to that, right? What happens after the 200 SMA? Again, I think it's going to depend on what the Fed's saying and doing. All right, Bitcoin 20,570. See if the markets are holding up. Crude oil 106 a barrel. E-mini S&P hanging around 20. Is that starting to pull back a little? I don't even. Yeah, looks like it's starting to pull back. Nasdaq 57. I feel like wasn't it at like 100 at the beginning of the stream? Are we fading this market open? Wow, I'm at a loss of words, everyone. 5 minutes in. Let's see what we got going on in Mars Colony. Actually, let's see what's going on. Harmony One in general. I mean, what could be going on? Actually, let's see what's going on with the rest of the market. So crypto 25, 20 and a half on Bitcoin, 1100. Bitcoin's up 2%, Ethereum's up 6%, Cardano's up 2% at 47, Polkadot 769, Harmony 1 continuing to find support at this support level. If it loses this, next stop, pretty much a penny. I think that's where Harmony 1's headed, a penny. I do have a bid in at 0.009, so hopefully it gets a little wick down below that. Maybe I should lower it some to like 0.005. Really go for the gusto. Bitcoin, man, like it just keeps knocking on the support. How long do you really think it's gonna last before it loses it? It's gonna happen. IMO. It's gonna happen pretty soon. Let's see if Capo has anything to say. Is he threatening? Yeah, he's got some stuff to say. Good morning. Charts remain bearish. I agree, and we will probably see new lows these days. I probably agree. These lows will have a good. Oh, so Capo's ready to get long. One thing is clear: many altcoins are in a bearish parabola. Parabolas, when broken, cause large corrections. In this case, upwards. These parabolas are not over yet, but almost. Well, hell yeah. There's some hopium for you guys. He thinks there's going to be a large correction upwards. You're not trying to time the bottom. I mean, Bitcoin's kind of a parabola. All these are pretty much parabolas. Like if you want to smooth them out. Oh, look at that. So this parabola might take us all the way down to like 15 cents. That would be pretty dope. Maybe even like, yeah, about 17 cents right here. 11 cents. Right here, maybe 15, 20 cents. I do think the buy zone is going to be somewhere in here. I think there is one last leg left. I do agree with Capo on this. I mean, this is a double. This is a, what do we got going on here? The two amigos. Man, I mean, you can make a parabola. I mean, the whole market had like this double top, so I guess you can just go to here too, but one, yeah. This is one of this one stands for one of the ugliest charts I've ever seen in my life. We can go back and say, oh, we had a double top. Adam's one I've been picking up more of. Yeah, I don't know. Even so, he's saying a correction. I could see that coming, but I think at the end of the day, it's mostly just going to be a relief rally, right? Relief rally, she can go up 50 or 100%, maybe even a little bit more, and then you go back down. Where it is the crypto winner. It probably is what it is. It might be a good opportunity if you're bored, you got some spare cat. Here's how I look at it. So you could be like, okay, I got a bag of cash on the side. Prices are really good. And I do feel like this. Like prices, if you're not trying to time the exact bottom, I think this is a good time to be buying crypto. I think it's a good time to be buying stocks. Good stocks, good cryptos. I'm talking Tesla, Apple, Meta, um, Google, Amazon. I'm talking good cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, I guess, Polkadot, Atom. There's a few others that, it gets a little riskier. I don't hate them. Osmosis, Avalanche, Phantom, Matic. But it is getting to that period. If it's an extended bear market, a lot of these aren't going to survive, or they may not survive. There was a lot of big coins in 2017 that aren't here now. So if you think that can't happen now, you're out of your freaking mind. I mean, Luna. It happened to Luna basically, in I mean, a downwards market, but it was still pretty bullish at the time. I mean, the prices were still fairly, highly valued. But now's a good time to buy if you can set it and forget it. If you can buy it and forget about it. I don't care if your dollar cost average. Personally, I'm more of a lump sum guy. Buy your Bitcoin, buy your Ethereum. Forget it. If you can't forget, like if you don't have the mindset that the money's already lost, or you're not even going to worry about it for at least until after the next halving. Have that attitude. But you could also so that's your backup plan, and that's been my backup plan for all the crypto I bought. I bought it. I was in great profits. I didn't take profits. Now I'm back to like even or down. And I think it's a good time to buy. I want to buy more. If I buy more, say I buy Bitcoin now at 20,000 and it goes up to 30,000, I might be inclined to sell the part I just bought now. It would come off the long term because I have Bitcoin in long term, but I could swing trade it because my thesis My outlook is we're going to get a relief rally, but I don't think the bottom's in. And I'm not changing my thesis. I'm not, a lot of people, oh, you flipping, you change. No, I'm telling you that is my thesis until the Fed turns dovish. The Fed, they need to get aggressive, more aggressive with rate hikes. They need to shock the system, and then they'll turn dovish. And I think that's when it's on. Now I'm going to be doing it very skeptical because a lot of it's just political posturing right now. A lot of it's just, politicians wanting to get reelected. So they're doing whatever they can to appease the mob. Like Roman times. Got to keep the mob happy. For example, this eliminating the gas tax. That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. Just trying to appease the mob. All right, let's see if the market's holding up. NASDAQ up about 45, hanging around the 50 handle. E-mini S&P around the 20 handle. Tesla's now red. Hell yeah. Let's see how I'm doing on my call spread. I can sell. I'm in profit by about $13. Should I take it off? I should probably take it off. Honestly, this was a play I shouldn't have really put on. This was a bad play. I mean, it was better than 50% chance of success, but now it's under, it's right at like 22 days. Barnes Woggle, P. Horsetooth in the house. Nimrod in the house. How you brothers doing? Bitcoin options expire tomorrow. They have weekly options, don't they always have? But the monthly options expire tomorrow. Greg in the house. How you doing, brother? Do the monthly options expire? Do the big ones? There's couple different firms. Oh yeah, the last Thursday. The last Thursday. Well, I guess next week would be the last Thursday of the month. Bitcoin, Schmitcoin. Do Bitcoin options even really mean anything when it's in a bear market? What is the name of the ETF where you can short Bitcoin? I wonder if that's live on. So tasty in the morning. Throw that coffee down your throat hole. It's hot. Oh no. Biddy. That's a great ticker. Biddy. It's live. It doesn't have options yet though. What are the other ones? BITC. What Bitcoin? Oh, Mito, isn't Mito or some dumb shit like that? No. There's a few like future Bitcoin ETF EFT list. So tasty in the morning. Drink your coffee. Bitto. They have 7 of them, and we can't get a spot ETF. No, I hate it when they do these. Bitto. ETF. Oh yeah, at GBT. BTF. I don't think. I wonder if BTF is on here. It is. Mm-hmm. I mean, you can have a little fun. Slap on a $2 put. You can even go down a buck. To get 1/3 the width of strike, you have to go pretty much at the money. Well, I mean, it's 67 cents away. I don't hate this play, but I don't know. I think Bitcoin's going down. So, oh, you know what you can do? You could also, I wonder what an iron condor would do in this. It might not be worth putting on, but we could take a look. 63 cents. I don't hate that. That might be a good play. So get 63 cents. 78% chance of success. Trade small, trade often. The most you can lose is $1.38. Let's see if that fills. It might not fill. I might have to adjust it. Limit 62. Actually, I want to cancel this. I'm going to adjust this. Let's cancel this. I am going to go up to there. A little bit of a skew. I'm going to go a little bit more up on the put side. We'll lower that down to like 69 cents. Try and get that through. Come on. If that gets through, it gets through. If it don't, it don't. Burp! Did I burp on? I thought I muted it all. Oh, how's everyone doing today, this fine young cannibal morning? She drives me crazy. All right, let's that's all I got, guys. I'm tapped out. It's boring as hell in crypto. What's the MVRV? It's going headed back down. I want this. How do I get this to go back more? Do I have to have a pro account? Guess we can see what's happening in Twitter. Kevin O'Leary says $1 trillion will come into this market overnight with the Bitcoin regulation. I mean, that doesn't even take us back to all-time highs. And it's not like Bitcoin regulation is going to happen overnight. We might be lucky to have regulation by freaking the next halving. Best Cardano NFT with floor under 100 ADA. Most of them are under 100 ADA. I'm kidding. Accumulate Bitcoin with no leverage or debt. That's boring. If you hold ADA, you can never be less than a 10. Oh, that's going to get a heart. Uh-oh. Cardano trees have bonsai trees? What? I want a bonsai! Wait a second. What is this? Your assets. I have 3. How would it know? What does this even mean? Is that, oh, that must be that guy's assets. How do I get a Cardano bonsai? This is dope. Well, I mean, I guess. Oh, they freaking move, guys. I don't know if that one's doing anything. Yeah, that one moved. Yeah, it's moving. Oh my goodness, I want one of these so bad. They need ways for me to hang my trees up. Yeah, it is dope. They need ways for me to hang my trees up in my metaverses. In Pavia, in my Pavia estate. Verify? What the hell, bros? God damn it. I can't even read that. And they don't even let you see it when you're typing it? Attempt failed. I'm pretty... Oh, I did X. Oh, this isn't even Cardano trees. Son of a bitch. There we go. Why am I having to re-verify it? Is it because it's a new computer or something? I don't freaking know. All right. When was this? Yesterday? Remember that 1-for-1 Cardano treat based on the snapshot made on Monday. Oh! So I get a Cardano tree. Wait. Do I have to send ADA? All right. I don't know what to do here. Where's general chat? No, I don't think so. I think that guy just posted a link to his shit. But I guess it's worth exploring. We can go to, I guess before I ask the question. I don't know if this is my address or not. Yeah, because I only have 2 trees. How do you spell bonsai? This thing has more channels than my freaking Discord. They're not very helpful. Let's see. This was yesterday. Meeting is open. Remember that is 1-to-1 based on the snapshot made on Monday. Send 37, send 74. I feel like I can just sit. I mean, minting period extended. Oh, okay. So I can do it June 22 through July 6th. This is the problem when you get involved with projects. You can't keep up with everything, and I almost missed out on something that I think is pretty dope. 1-for-1 for Cardano tree holders. OG and Alonzo only. I don't even know what that means. 1 tree will be donated. Old G and Alonzo only. What does that mean? Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? How was your nut pizza oatmeal? It was good. I put the butter in it. No one's helping me out, guys. What the hell? Old G frequently asked questions. How the display? It is a totally new. If you see what is. Now you can combine your sun, moon, fireworks. Like, have they been selling other shit I don't even know about? They got plants, fireworks. They got fireworks. Bonsai info. One minute for Cardano Old G collection and a lot. I don't know what this means. OG collection and Alonzo collection. Uh, I don't know that I have those. Old G and Alonzo. They don't even spell. What does OG stand for? I don't think so. Alonzo was a species, special edition. I don't know what OG means. How do they should have a way to check. If you don't have, I wonder if it just means any Cardano tree. I know what OG stands for, Ricky. I don't know what it stands for in Cardano trees. You will receive back 2 ADA plus bonsai. Oh, you can see the results in the spreadsheet. All right. The easiest way to find your wallet, find one of your trees. Then in the last column, see how many. All right. Let's see what this. Find one of my trees. Did that download? What is going on? Payment, stake, asset name. 7550. You gotta have a fucking degree to do anything on chain. I have 2. I wonder if I can buy more. It's one. All right, whatever. Send 74 ADA. Wait a second. Um, Bonsai! Bonsai! Oh, this shows the Explorer on this wallet. That's pretty dope. I think that's what it's doing. Nasdaq's pumping again a little bit. E-mini S&P. Meh. Still working on the Bitto. Maybe we lower this a penny. It says the mid 65. All right. That doesn't fill. It doesn't fill. You know what? We're just going to cancel it. What kind of buying power do we have? Let's put something on. $400, $900. There's got to be some action out there. Oh, TLT. There's a lot of vol in TLT right now. Let's go out 57 days. 107. 102. We're gonna do an iron condor. Maybe. Take a look at an iron condor. No. Let's see. Are bonds gonna go up or are they gonna go down? No, I don't like that trade. Let's take a look. GNOG. Ride. Clean Spark. What is that? Clean? Yeah, clean. MicroStrategies. I don't think they have a lot of liquidity in their options. Let's take a look. I don't think MicroStrategies is going to go down a lot more, but it most certainly could. I like this trade. I wonder if this will fill. I don't have sufficient margin. Oh, $10 wide. No wonder it was so high. Well, that sucks. Yeah, screw that. I don't know how Nicola's even still listed. Lemonade, holy shit. Workhorse, more like shit horse. DoorDash, $67. I feel like if anything, are people not spending money? I don't know. I'm seeing all these stats where people are like, oh, people aren't spending money. People aren't spending money on like consumer goods. I'm like, no shit, Sherlock. Everyone's freaking PG&E and food bills gone through the roof. The two things you exclude from the CPI data. I know me personally, I'm not looking to buy anything because my PG&E, my gas and electric are through the roof. Everyone's spending money on gas, heating, electrical, and food. There's not a lot of money left for freaking Gucci's and Lamborghinis after that. Hood, $7. Up to no good. Inglewood. Let's take a look at what we got here. 57 days out. Says it's 105% IB, but the tight spread, you really can't get enough credit though. Square peg. Man, that's really fallen from Twitter. Like, is that Twitter deal going to go through at a new price? Uber? Tattooed Chef? The chef? Interesting. Jeremy Lefebvre did a video last night because he put over $250,000 into. Yeah, eating oatmeal is part of why I eat oatmeal for the health reasons and because it's cheap. he was talking about his, because he doesn't do a lot with crypto, but he's watching the crypto prices like a hawk right now, because he says he loves a good like crash, so he's just fascinated by it. But he invested over $250,000 in the Voyager token. Speaking of that, man, I have had such a pain in the ass with getting my crypto self custody. I put in an address for Gemini and it takes like 7 days to get approved, but I don't know if I put in the wrong address or what. Or I don't know if it gives you a new one every time I check. I can get a kind of an idea right now. Hold on. And so I said, screw it. And I already had my BlockFi address in Gemini. So I sent it to BlockFi, paid a little bit in fees. And then from BlockFi, I'm sending it over to I think some of it came in. What's going on here? It says I have 0.43 Bitcoin. I don't know how that's the case. Did I not? No, this doesn't make any sense. Point 0.43, is that right? I thought it was 0.35. Yeah, how do I have 0.43 Bitcoin? Received on 6/16. This is really weird. I mean, I'm not going to complain that magically 0.65. I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on. Am I reading this wrong? Let's see, I have an alert. Stake Atom. Maybe some of the Bitcoin's coming in. I don't understand. I really don't. I don't see the transaction on here, though. I guess we'll let this finish. I seriously doubt I'm getting any kind of free Bitcoin here. But hopefully this gets finished up today. It's a pain in the ass either way. Let's see if what it shows in my BlockFi. Because then you send it out of BlockFi and they hold it for 24 hours. BlockFi is like getting help from, yeah, it doesn't show. Actually, what I can do is this. .65. Mm, I don't know if this means it's done or not. Bill Scott in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, it is a Beastie Boys reference. I don't know. Like, I don't really see my Bitcoin address that I use. I wonder if, and it's gone. This is so, it's so scary when you're sending crypto around. Mm, I don't think BlockFi has an easy way. I don't know if that's the address I use. I don't know if it gives me a new one depending on the device I'm on. I wonder what happens if I put this in. Nothing. It must have been a different address I used. I don't think this looks the same as what I did. Oh my goodness. It's so nerve-wracking. Oh shit, guys. Hopefully I didn't lose some Bitcoin. All right, I'm going to go grab my laptop and I will be right back. I tell you what, man, they got to make this shit easier. I checked this like 2 or 3 times. You kind of just get beat down. Now, I wonder if it's the same address. I don't think it is. Ledger Live. This only shows 0.35 Bitcoin over here. What is going on? Do I have different addresses? Maybe that's it. No, because I sent 0.65. Bitcoin 0.434 and point. I don't. This shows a different amount of Bitcoin. I need to sync this or something. Let me close this. This still says 0.35, and this one says, so I don't think anything's shown up yet. Let's do receive. That is the same address. I'm pretty sure. It is. And let's see if that's what I probably put in here. BlockFi sucks because I don't think they have a really good ledger. I cannot wait to get off BlockFi. All right, so I'm pretty sure I sent it to the right address. It probably just hasn't gone through yet. But BlockFi sucks because they don't have an easy way to see, I don't think, what transactions you've done, like history, and it takes a while. Withdraw, trade. Yeah, but you can't really, maybe if I go to Bitcoin. Yeah, BlockFi sucks. T-Top in the house. Top of the morning. How you doing, brother? There's no easy. God, I hate BlockFi. Their credit card's pretty cool, but other than that, they suck balls. Yeah, they don't have a way to see what you've done. Like a ledger. I don't think. I mean, I haven't found it. Oh, crypto transfer request. It's just not, you just gotta intuitively know to scroll to the bottom of something. Yeah, that's the right address. All right, so we're good. Just hasn't shown up yet. I don't know why this one is showing 0.44 and my other one's showing 0.35. All right, yeah, so guys, take self-custody, but it's a pain in the ass, man. If that scared the shit out of you, that's the crypto life you're signing up for until they make that shit easier. Taking self-custody, that's what I guess I should create my own course, my own teachable course, link down below. Sell ends today. The price goes up. We're going to continue to add value. But I could probably make a bunch of different stuff on just like wallets and shit, right? I mean, I feel like something like that could sell. Maybe I should do something like that. And then I can add other stuff to it. Just got to work. And what do you do for a living, if you don't mind telling us? It's not much of a vacation today. Again, gotta go see 3 days later, go see the doctor. No sleep till Bitcoin. Dun 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 dun. Something, something, something hotter than a boiling kettle. All right, let's see what the chef. Can I get some? Can I do a put on the chef? That's barely even worth it. $1.35. That means I would be buying it at $6.15. Do I have the buying power? I do not. NASDAQ doing pretty good. Oh, forklift driver. You get to listen to me while you're on the forklift. I've done forklift driving before. I worked for a forklift company one summer. They were union. I only worked 8 hours a week. Didn't even cover the union dues, but it was great pay. And then I drove forklifts for construction, fork trucks, and I also did a lot of forklift driving at old Walmart. Oh yeah, no problem, bro. No problem. Listen away. I mean, I'm almost done, unfortunately. I can probably keep this going on for another 30 minutes or so, but I mean, I spent like 15, 20 minutes bitching about self-custody. I mean, I can't imagine that's getting a lot of likes. Let's see what we got going on in the YouTubes right now. Any hopium? I gave some hopium earlier. I don't remember. Stung by a stingray live. Man, holy shit. The greatest Bitcoin reset explained. Yeah, okay. Andre Dick. I mean, Jick. I like Andre Jick. It's just, wow, this is. I think he changed the title. I could swear this used to say, wow, this is why I hate the United States. If you guys don't watch this Jackie Tran, he does pretty good videos, but I could swear this title, I swear, like, used to say, wow, this is why I hate the United States. He must have changed it. I'm curious to watch that. The housing market just got worse. Didn't we see him saying that last night too?
The housing market is one of
Something's causing my computer GPU to go crazy. Oh, Jerome Powell still speaking? Pavia Metaverse, big stuff coming soon. Great. Oh, hello. Bank of England said this about Bitcoin. All right, let's see what this clickbait is. I mean, who gives a shit what the Bank of England said? No offense.
Exchange that has not announced they're laying off people. I mean, every single
is CZ going to say something negative?
And it will continue. Folks can accumulate 10 Bitcoin, but if you can't,
this doesn't mean shit.
Congratulations, will fluctuate, and arguably, at implementing, programming languages like
that's pretty cool
or others that could be used to develop dApps on top of Ethereum. And
you're going to see a lot more of this. Colleges adding Solidity, crypto shit. Yeah.
Be producing
because there's a huge job market. In fact, universities should be tripping over themselves. I've tried to find good courses and they're not easy to find.
Bricks starting in 2025.
I think someone gave me a link that I have bookmarked. Yeah, no. Well, whatever. I lost it. I've had a couple good links to. Oh, the Odin project, I think. Yeah, but that's like full on web development.
So it's quite interesting. So I don't know where it is produced now. I'm assuming in Denmark because that's where they're from.
No one cares that
But
you're a
I think chain
fanatic
lightning is
over. What did
fantastic
the Bank of England say,
So,
bitch?
for
He doesn't have timelines yet. Okay.
Bank of England, I keep wanting to say Bank of America. I'm sorry. Bank of England says that crypto crash survivors could become tomorrow's Amazons and eBays. I'm not sure why he threw eBay in there. It should be like Amazons and Apples or Amazons and Microsofts of tomorrow. Okay. And literally, that's why we speculate and invest in a lot of these crypto projects out there because they are technology plays. They are Web 3.0 plays. Okay. That's why they're different than Bitcoin. Although some Bitcoin maxis will argue, well, Bitcoin is those things too. But Bitcoin, in my opinion, is store value. It's going to be the greatest store value we've ever seen, and arguably already is. And even though, yes, you could build other things on top of Bitcoin utilizing like a layer 2 solution like Stacks or something like that. But there's so many other projects right now that are competing and creating different decentralized services and dApps out there that could make them one day the Amazons and I guess in this case eBay's or Microsoft's and Apple's of the future.
God damn it. Speaking, all right, so Bill asks, what's your take on the federal gas? I think it's the dumbest thing ever. That's my take. Let's see if I've gotten my bonsai. I'll elaborate. Elaborate. God damn it. All right, I got 2 bonsais. They need to raise taxes. Eliminating taxes on it's just, dude, it's just political posturing. It's trying to appease the mom. They need to lower demand. I don't know. It's a very tough situation, but suspending the tax, they're not going to suspend the spending. Eventually, you got to pay the piper. They're going to have to raise tax. They're going to have to shell game or whatever, right? Or the gas companies will just continue to raise prices. You know what I'm saying? Oh, well, the federal government just gave us another like whatever cents in profit we can tack on. Because what's happening in the gas and oil industry is they continue to raise prices because they're forecasting what they think it could be in the next few months, continuing this velocity. Really, all they're doing is fattening their own. It's one last hurrah for them because we all know gas and oil. It's either on its way out or the planet's on its way out. I know Bill Scaw's like shaking his head right now. Let's see if anyone helped me yet. I mean, I just figured it out on my own, but let's see how great this Cardano community really is. I don't know why shit is going crazy right now. Like it's okay. What is going on? Am I like I did something really bad, guys. My computer is. Oh, I know what I did. Oh my goodness. I set my headphones down on the enter key on my secondary keyboard. So that caused a bit of a kerfuffle. I don't know what browser that was on. Pretty sure it was one of these. Okay. How do I... I should just close this whole freaking thing at this point. Like, but now I'm dug in. I want to see how bad this really is. Holy shit. I'm getting RSI. All right, Tom, are you really going to dig in this much? Like, you could be doing this for hours. My finger is seriously getting throbbing. You might not even see, you probably can't even see what I'm doing, can you? Oh, what? Come on, come on, come on. I feel like I have to do this or I'm going to have an unlucky day. I feel like I'm giving up if I take the easy route. Sometimes you got to take the painful route. How many does it show me? There's enough oil to last over 1,000 years and then some. The only thing that can kill, it doesn't matter how much oil there is. It's whether or not it's good for the planet. And I submit it's not. Oh my goodness, guys. Am I really this stupid that I'm going to let a browser beat me today? I'm going to dictate whether a browser dictates whether I'm going to have a lucky day or not. But it's manifest destiny at this point. I mean, did I just accidentally close it? If it was an accident, it doesn't count. I think I did. All right, well then it doesn't count. Bonsai! If fusion can scale, we can't do fusion yet, can we? Like I think we have fusion bombs, but we don't have fusion energy. If we could build a Dyson sphere, we would have really cheap energy too, bro. But if ends and ands were butts and nuts, how does that go? I'd rather check out my Cardano bonsai trees. Oh, actually, I want to see if these bros help me. Let's see. Yes, you can get 2 trees, not too late. Thank you, sir. Oh, that tree right there is freaking dope. How would you not like that? I would buy that right now. Are you kidding me? I'm probably going to get some boring lame shit. So let's find out. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. It looks a little like, I wonder if these grow. I bet they grow, but that so far that looks a little micro penis. Can I buy more? I want another one. Helium first to fusion. How do we invest in this company? I'm down with this. If this is true, but you can't believe anything says, the Earth's oceans contain enough deuterium to generate billions of years worth of zero carbon fusion energy. I'm sure there's no trade-offs. Like, what happens when a fusion reactor melts down? Yeah, I'm down. That's an interesting spokesperson. That's an interesting spokesperson for some future cutting edge technology. She's got some kind of thing on her lip and a nose ring. I mean, I'm personally not against it. It's just a little weird if you're trying to be professional. And this is, I guess they're trying to show, there's got to be a message behind this, right? Like, do you feel comfortable that, and again, I don't have any problems with this, but and then at the same time, I'm like, okay, is this rebel? Obviously, she's a bit of a rebel. Maybe she bucks the system. Maybe someone tells her she needs to do something on the fusion reactor, and she's like, nah, dude, I think you're wrong. I'm gonna do this instead. And then next thing you know, she's the end of the human race. Yeah, I guess she's not. That's not a hipster. That's more metal. I don't really know that. Yeah, it's a little bit hipster. She doesn't look like she puts a lot of effort into her hair, but I mean, she is. Yeah, she is a forklift driver. T-top. Let's try and get her your number, or I'll try and get her. I'll try and get you her number, dog. All right, I want to buy more Cardano trees. Just to. Oh, bummer. Bummer. I don't like my trees, guys. Maybe they'll grow on me. Pun intended. I don't like them. I mean that doesn't even look like that. Looks like a forest. That's not what a bonsai tree looks like. If this one grows, this will be dope. But this it looks like a shit moon. I'm gonna watch this, so I want to get more. This one's dope. I like the moon. That's pretty cool too. I bet that gets upright too. This one doesn't even look like it's really moving right now. It must be in a desert. Flower, not, do any of these? Neither one of these have flowers, which is lame. Because one of mine is a flowering. Final size in the year 2030. These are so, final size in the, these are so dope, guys. I wonder what like this firework thing is. Let's go to CNFT tools. Elians, yeah, they do. They do look freaking Washington State or Washington D.C. Because Washington D.C. for sure. Fireworks. What is this fireworks shit? Fireworks, add-ons. Because Cardano trees, you can create amazing collages combining with the... Alright. The inaugural add-on has 3 different add-ons. How do I do this shit? Add-ons. It talks about it, but the original Cardano, the Alonzo, inaugural add-on collection. First add-on merge tool, the bonsai, 3D Cardano assets. They got a lot of cool shit going on here, guys. How do I do the add-ons? Merge tool. Wallet address. All right. I don't think this makes it... I think this is just kind of you can play around. I don't have any fireworks. I don't have any sun and moon. Okay, you can merge shit together. Fancy planet, sun and moon, fireworks. I don't know how you add this shit though. Do they have... add-on info? The inaugural will be available... Oh, you gotta buy it. I wonder if I can still buy it. So I don't think I can buy this anymore, which sucks. Only 2,500. I mean, goddamn, bro. Can I buy this on a secondary market or something? This happened like 7 months ago. You're happily married? What is your favorite thing about my trees? My bonsai trees? I like the color of the tree. Maybe that'll grow. I mean, in general, I like this. It's just a small tree. This one's weird. It's got a cool colored moon. This is like some shit maybe in Avatar. This one moves, which is cool. Yeah, I have to think like this is an Avatar bonsai collection. But I really like this because this reminds me of Miyagi-san. This reminds me of Karate Kid, but I think it needs to be an orange sun for that to be something. All right, let's get this wrapped up. I got shit I gotta do today that I don't want to do. Very adult things going on today. Let's see what's going on in crypto. I'm sure it's still hanging around 20,500. How do I do that? I know what you're thinking. How do I do that? How do I freaking do it? I need to do a like check. A like check. Here's your chance, because it's going to take me like 2 minutes to find the screen. 8 likes. Hell yeah, guys. Greatly appreciated. Bitcoin, Bitcoin. I must have closed the window. Oh no. All right. I was thinking about eating meat again this morning, and I got really repulsed by the idea. So I don't think that's going to happen, guys. Bitcoin. Did I guess 20 and a half? I guess like 20,500, right? How do I do it? How do I freaking do it? I am the greatest Bitcoin predictor. We are on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottom, 6 bottom, 7. We're on an 8 bottom. If this went like this, came down, went like that, and then shot to the moon, all that. Oh yeah, it was obvious. It was a double bottom. But what happens when it's no longer a double bottom? It's like boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's touched it a bunch of times. Eventually the dam's going to break, right? Or it's like, so then you'll look back and say, oh yeah, eventually it was going to break. Or it does this. And then, oh yeah, it held support for a really long time. Of course, you know, Bitcoin was going to go up again. All you can do is choose and make an assumption, choose your direction, watch your size, and make the play. And right now, I'm not adding any size, and I'm waiting for this. It might be like this, nice little relief rally up to 37, 40,000, and then boom, right? But this is too long of a time frame for that to happen. So I would look more something like in July. And I don't think this is going to happen with what's going on with the Fed. I think it's more likely this real soon. Like we're going to have Fed talk starting next week, heavy. Or maybe we'll be spared a little bit next week, but the week after, because next week 4th of July is on our mind, and I don't know if that's delaying the Fed decision by a week or whatever, but it's going to just be like, and then maybe we get oversold, but it's coming down, boys. It is coming down. Let me guess what the stock market's doing. The Nasdaq's down 100, or the Nasdaq's up 111. The E-mini S&P 17. E-mini S&P up 31, and the Nasdaq's up 150. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there. You're in Effin Square. It's highly unlikely that I'll stream tonight. I love you all, and peace.